Welcome to the third part of the project, controlling a robotic arm with potentiometers with an Arduino Uno board. This is the third part in which I am going to explain you the code. So let's see the code. This is the code. Now I will explain you the code. In the first, we are including the servo library. Second, we are defining all the three servos as S1, S2 and S3. Third, we are defining the potentiometer inputs as integers. Now at void setup, which runs once, we are attaching the servo to pin numbers. It is known as S1, the servo name, dot attach, in brackets the pin number. I also did that for S2 for at pin 10 and S3 at pin 11. Now for printing something on the serial monitor, I have kept a baud rate of 9600, which is ideal for Arduino Uno. These are the three voids I am including. Void grip, which is included here, and I have defined it here. First, I am again attaching the void grip to pin 9. Second, I am putting the potentiometer input. I am reading the potentiometer input at analog 0 pin. Third, I am mapping the potentiometer input from 0 to 1023, which is the input of this potentiometer, to the angle of the servo, which is 0 to 180. It means that it defines some numbers for one number of the angle. For example, if I divide 1023 by 180 and I round it, I get almost 6, the 6th number, which means that 6 numbers of 102 potentiometers input, which is 0 to 1023, is equal to one angle of the servo. For example, the potentiometer gives an input of 12. Then it is known as the second angle of the potentiometer, second angle of the servo. It's a bit little complicated, but it is very helpful. Second, I'm serial printing a space. Then I'm serial printing the potentiometer input. Next, I'm writing the potentiometer input, which I have mapped not the 0 to 10231, the mapped one to the S1. Then I am giving a delay of 50 microseconds, and then I'm again detaching it. I'm detaching it because the potentiometer is always not accurate, and it moves, and it input moves even if we do not twist the knob. Because of that, the servo can jitter. So I have kept the S1.detach. The same code is for the arm void. It is attaching at 10. The potentiometer input 2 is reading at A1. It is mapping, serial printing these both lines, then writing at the servo, and then detaching it. As it is in the void loop, it will go on and attach and detach. The same code is also for the elbow. It's a pretty simple code if you just understand it nicely. Thank you friends for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AIVersity. Thank you friends.